A favicon is that little image that you see in your window tab. A great example of this is when you go to Google. In the tab it says Google, and right beside it has that little image. Almost every website has one of these. Now to add a favicon, you use the link element, just like how we link to other sources such as an external cascading style sheet. The relationship would be an icon, and then you link to it using href. It's usually favicon.ico. ICO is the icon extension, although a lot of modern browsers also accept images such as PNG. And the type is image/xicon. And you close it. And that's all a favicon is. The problem with a favicon is the .ico extension. The icon extension is not easily created. There are Photoshop plugins. Depending on which Photoshop you have, you can or cannot create an icon. So instead you can use a PNG, and that works usually just as fine in a modern browser. Now icons are what you use for all browsers. That's accepted in the really old browsers because there are still people using those, and it's accepted in the modern browsers as well. A favicon is usually 16 pixels by 16 pixels, so it's not very big. And typically it sits somewhere on your server. Your task for this video is to create a new document, and then I want you to find or create your own .ico or your favicon.icon. If you're unable to save any files from Photoshop, any other image service that you're using as a .ico, feel free to hop on Google Images and just look for a .ico image. Then I want you to apply the favicon to your page, save and open the document, and verify that the favicon shows up properly. If you see that little image by your title in your window tab, then you've added a favicon.